Hello kids, welcome to Fun Learning. Hope you are healthy, happy and safe. Today we will learn about sounds. Doesn't that sound fun? I want to tell you a story. Settle down fast and listen to me carefully. In a rainy day, James went to play with jet plane toy in a park. James was wearing jacket to save himself from rains. After an hour has passed, James' mom came in the park with umbrella in hand. She wanted James to take home because it was raining heavily. James is a good and obedient boy. He agreed the advice of his mom and went back home with her. At home, James' mom gave him bread and jam to eat and juice in a jug for drinking. So kids, you learned names of different pictures like jet plane, jacket, jam, jug, and juice. Now, can you tell me what is the first sound of these pictures? Yes, it is J. It is J. Here you can see capital J and small j, and the sound of J is J, and the sound of J is J. Joker, dancing on the board, making people happy all across the road. Joker, dancing on the board, making people happy all across the road. Joker, dancing on the board, making people happy all across the road. Joker, dancing on the board, making people happy all across the road. With this, we completed the fun activity of knowing phonetics. I hope you have fun. Please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications on new amazing learning videos. Goodbye. Have a good day.